What if you could hand a client a finished professional landing page before your discovery call even ended? That is not a fantasy anymore. Google's free AI coding environment called Antigravity gives you direct access to Gemini 3.1 Pro at zero cost. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to use that combination to build a service that clients are already paying for every single day. My name is Paul James. I help freelancers, consultants, and small business owners use free AI tools to compete with agencies that have 10 times the budget. If you are new here, welcome. You are in the right place. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Okay, so let me set the stage here. Think about what a professional landing page used to cost. A decent freelance designer would charge anywhere from $500 to $3,000 for a basic site. Something with smooth scroll animations, clean typography, and a layout that actually converts, that could run you even more. And the timeline? Weeks sometimes. Back and forth revisions, mood boards, wireframes, the whole thing is a grind. Now here is where the world changed. Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro can generate a complete, visually polished, animation-ready landing page from a single, well-structured prompt. We are talking scroll effects, layered visual transitions, dynamic hero sections, responsive layouts, all of it in a matter of minutes. Here's where things get wild. The output does not look like a template. It looks like something a senior front-end developer spent a week on. And that gap between what it costs to produce and what clients will pay for it, that is where your opportunity lives. I want to introduce a framework I call the single prompt site stack. Here is what that means. Instead of treating website creation as a multi-step project with design phases and revision cycles, you compress the entire workflow into one structured prompt fed into Gemini 3.1 Pro. The model interprets your intent, decides on layout logic, picks the visual hierarchy, and generates a complete coded site. You are not just using AI to speed things up. You are using it to eliminate the overhead that used to make this service inaccessible to solo operators. Let me walk you through how this actually works. You start by giving Gemini 3.1 Pro a clear picture of the business. That means the business name, what they do, who their ideal customer is, and the overall visual tone they are going for. Think of this as the brand brief you would normally spend an hour gathering in a discovery call, except now you can do it in a short intake form that takes the client 5 minutes to fill out. Here is where Antigravity becomes the key to this whole workflow. Antigravity is Google's free AI-powered coding environment. Think of it like Cursor or VS Code, but built from the ground up around AI agents. And here is the part that matters most for this use case. It comes with free access to Gemini 3.1 Pro built right in. You do not need an API key. You do not need a paid subscription. You open Antigravity, you are already inside an environment where Gemini 3.1 Pro is ready to work. That means the entire website generation workflow costs you nothing to run. Most people never realize this part, that accessing Gemini 3.1 Pro through the API would cost you money, but running it through Antigravity during the current free preview is completely free. That changes the math on this service entirely. Here is the piece that most people skip. The aesthetic direction matters a lot. Words like clean and minimal, or bold and industrial, or warm and community-driven will steer Gemini 3.1 Pro toward completely different design choices. The model is sensitive to language. The more specific you are about the feeling you want the site to create, the better the output lands. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Once you feed the prompt through, Gemini 3.1 Pro produces a complete HTML and CSS file you can actually launch. The site includes hover states, scroll-triggered animations, and visual depth effects, the kind of details that used to require a developer who charged by the hour. You get all of that in a single output. And deployment? Completely free. Platforms like Netlify and Vercel both have free tiers that let you take what Gemini 3.1 Pro generates and put it live on the internet in under 10 minutes. No server setup, no hosting fees. You grab the file, drag it into the platform, and the site is live. That is your fulfillment cost, $0. I remember feeling overwhelmed by the technical side of web stuff when I was first trying to build something with no budget and no connections. The idea that I could now hand someone a live, gorgeous website in an afternoon using a free tool would have completely changed my trajectory back then. Here is the angle most tutorials never touch. Let me talk about where the real money is in this workflow. This is not just about saving time, it is about building a service that scales. Think about local service businesses, a plumbing company, a med spa, a landscaping crew. These businesses desperately need professional web presences, and most of them are either using something they built themselves in 2015 or paying someone retainer fees for a site that barely converts. You walk in with a polished demo built in Gemini 3.1 Pro for their exact niche, and you have already done what most agencies charge a discovery fee just to promise. The conversation shifts immediately. Here is another angle. Event-based sites, corporate retreats, community fundraisers, pop-up markets. These organizers need a clean page fast. They do not need a 2-month project. They need something that looks great and captures registrations by Friday. Gemini 3.1 Pro can turn that around in a single working session, and you can charge a flat project fee for the speed and quality you deliver. The client gets what they need. You get paid well for your time. Creators and coaches are a third lane. Anyone building a personal brand, launching a course, or offering a membership community needs a page that reflects their positioning. With Gemini 3.1 Pro, you can quickly generate a few visual directions, show the client options, and let them choose. That process alone feels premium and worth a higher rate. And because the tool handles the heavy lifting, you can take on more clients without working more hours. That is the definition of leverage. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a concrete picture of how this plays out. Picture a marketing coordinator at a small accounting firm. They have been tasked with getting a landing page live for a new tax advisory service their firm just launched. They do not have a developer on staff. Their design contact quoted them $1,400 in a 3-week timeline. They need something in 4 days. You reach out, send a quick intake form, collect the brand details, the target client description, and the tone they want. You open Antigravity, drop your prompt into the environment, and let Gemini 3.1 Pro build the site. Within the hour, you have a full coded site with a clean hero section, a services breakdown, a trust building section with client outcomes, and a clear call to action. You deploy it to Netlify for free. You send them the link. They are live in 48 hours for a fraction of what anyone else quoted. That firm now knows your name. That is how referrals start. This is where everything clicks. The single prompt site stack built on Gemini 3.1 Pro is not just a faster way to build websites, it is a completely different business model. The cost to deliver drops to almost nothing, the quality goes up, and the gap between what you spend and what you can charge becomes a real margin that you can build on. You can also use this to create spec work before you ever talk to a prospect. Find a local business with a weak site, build them a better one using Gemini 3.1 Pro before you pick up the phone. Now, your outreach is not a pitch, it is a delivery. You are not asking for a chance. You are showing up with something tangible. That is a completely different conversion conversation. Imagine what your first 30 days look like once you have this workflow dialed in. You have a simple intake process, a reliable output that consistently impresses clients, a free deployment setup, and a service you can offer to businesses in any niche. The overhead is near zero. The skill requirement is getting the prompt right, and that is learnable in an afternoon. The freelancers who figure out how to package and deliver this kind of output professionally, not just as a demo, but as a real service with a clear scope and a fair price, those are the people who are going to build something real from this moment in AI history. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. This is the window. Gemini 3.1 Pro exists right now, the market has not caught up yet, and the people who move early always have the advantage. Do not wait until this is obvious. Start learning the workflow today.